10 breakfast ideas that offer miraculous health benefits. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. A nutritious breakfast can provide essential nutrients and energy to kickstart your day and support overall health. In this video, we will explore 10 breakfast ideas that not only taste delicious but also offer miraculous health benefits. From boosting your metabolism to improving heart health and enhancing cognitive function, these breakfast options have it all. Overnight oats with berries and almonds. Overnight oats are a convenient and nutritious breakfast option. Combine rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a touch of honey in a jar, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top it with fresh berries and almonds for added antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. This breakfast is not only delicious but also supports heart health and provides sustained energy throughout the day. High in fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps control blood sugar levels. Berries are rich in antioxidants, which protect cells from oxidative damage. Almonds provide healthy fats and vitamin E, which support heart health. Avocado toast with poached eggs. Avocado toast has become a popular breakfast choice for its creamy and nutritious goodness. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top it with poached eggs. This breakfast is a great source of healthy fats, protein, and vitamins, providing numerous health benefits. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and support brain function. Whole grain toast offers fiber and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Poached eggs provide high-quality protein for muscle repair and satiety. Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and fresh fruit. Greek yogurt is a protein-packed breakfast option that can be customized with your favorite toppings. Layer Greek yogurt with nuts, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of honey for a delightful and nutrient-dense parfait. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of probiotics, promoting a healthy gut and supporting immune function. Nuts offer heart-healthy fats and a dose of vitamins and minerals. Fresh fruits provide vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sweetness. Quinoa breakfast bowl with spinach and avocado. Quinoa is a complete protein and a great alternative to traditional breakfast grains. Cook quinoa in almond milk and top it with sautéed spinach, sliced avocado, and a sprinkle of hemp seeds for a nourishing and filling breakfast. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Spinach is rich in iron and folate, supporting red blood cell production and overall energy levels. Avocado provides healthy fats and potassium, promoting heart health and regulating blood pressure. Smoothie bowl with superfoods. Smoothie bowls are not only visually appealing but also packed with superfoods and nutrients. Blend together spinach, kale, frozen berries, banana, and almond milk for a nutrient-dense base. Top it with chia seeds, sliced kiwi, and coconut flakes for added texture and flavor. Leafy greens like spinach and kale offer vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for immune support. Berries are rich in anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein for heart and digestive health. Veggie omelette with whole grain toast. An omelette is a versatile breakfast option that allows you to incorporate various vegetables and flavors. Whisk eggs with diced bell peppers, tomatoes, and spinach, and cook until fluffy. Serve with whole grain toast for a balanced and satisfying meal. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and choline. Bell peppers offer vitamin C, which supports the immune system and collagen production. Whole grain toast provides fiber and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Chia seed pudding with fresh fruit. Chia seed pudding is a nutritious and delicious breakfast that can be prepared in advance. Mix chia seeds with coconut milk and a touch of maple syrup, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top it with fresh fruit and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a delightful breakfast. Chia seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants for heart health and digestive function. Coconut milk provides healthy fats and medium-chain triglycerides for brain health and energy. Fresh fruits offer vitamins, minerals, and natural sweetness without added sugars. Spinach and mushroom frittata. A spinach and mushroom frittata is a savory and nutrient-packed breakfast option. Sauté spinach and mushrooms with garlic and onions, then pour beaten eggs over the mixture. Bake in the oven until set, and enjoy a wholesome and satisfying breakfast. Spinach and mushrooms are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support immune function and overall health. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline, which are important for bone health and brain function. Acai bowl with granola and fresh berries. Acai bowls have gained popularity for their refreshing and nutrient-rich properties. Blend frozen acai berries with banana and almond milk for a thick and creamy base. Top it with granola, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey for added texture and sweetness. Acai berries are a powerful source of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Granola offers a combination of whole grains, nuts, and seeds, providing fiber and healthy fats for heart health and digestion. Fresh berries provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall health and immune function. Buckwheat pancakes with berries and maple syrup. For a delicious and nutritious twist on traditional pancakes, opt for buckwheat pancakes. Mix buckwheat flour with almond milk and a touch of maple syrup, and cook on a griddle until golden brown. Top it with fresh berries and a drizzle of maple syrup for a wholesome breakfast treat. Buckwheat is a gluten-free whole grain that offers fiber and essential minerals like manganese and magnesium. Berries are rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting cells from damage and promoting overall health. Maple syrup, when used in moderation, can serve as a natural sweetener that provides trace minerals like zinc and manganese. Incorporating these 10 breakfast ideas into your daily routine can help you start your day on a nutritious and satisfying note. From providing essential nutrients to supporting various aspects of health, these breakfast options offer miraculous benefits for your overall well-being. Remember to prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods and customize these breakfast ideas to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. With a well-rounded and nourishing breakfast, you can set yourself up for a day filled with energy, focus, and vitality.